YouTube? I am back here with another video, and today, guys, let's make some food. Let's make some food. Episode 2 of Did I out of breath from all that dancing? That song is so nice. Yeah, I'm gonna be teaching you guys how to make some tuna. My own sandwich is called the tuna magadagadoo. So whenever you guys go home and want to make this tuna magadagadoo, just follow these instructions and I'll teach you how to make a tuna magadagadoo. What you're gonna need for this video is one pan, one spatula. You're gonna need one of these great, like, what is this called? You're just gonna wanna need one of these things that's like a net and you can like push water through it and the solid will stay in it and then the water will go through. Basically, I don't know what it's called, but that's what you need. One can of your finest. Hold up, let me focus that, baby. One can of your finest tuna. There you go. I get the light tuna because, you know, I like my tuna light. Anyway, that was awkward. That was awkward. I'm gonna need a can opener, some cheese, most likely 2. I use 2, you know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna use some mayonnaise. Be lit. There you go. Hellman's. If it didn't focus, but whatever. You're gonna need some lemons as well and some other good stuff. And then salt and pepper. And you guys know where you guys keep that. I'm not gonna show you my salt and pepper because it's my salt and pepper, you feel me? Alright, anyway. And some bread, obviously, because we're gonna make a sandwich today. Alright, let's get into this video. Follow me. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna wanna turn that heat up. Turn that burner up to about halfway, just like that. See how easy that was? Step 1, we're gonna start by opening this can of tuna, and it's going to smell like straight up fish. I'm gonna take this can opener, you heard, and you're gonna wanna pinch it on the bottom of the can, and then you're gonna wanna just, you know, turn the wheel, you know. But be careful, cause this stuff really stinks. You don't want it to fall on your face or anything like that, you know what I'm saying? So we're just gonna open that. I'm opening it right here. You guys can't see because it's down here, but just know that I'm opening it. Just know that I'm opening the can. Oh, yo, this shit stinks. Like as soon as you crack that bitch open, it's just gonna smell like straight fish. But it won't smell like that for long, okay guys? We're gonna cook it up and we're gonna make it nice and yummy for us to eat, you know? This is what I'm here to do. This is lunchtime special with Isaiah's Cooking with Zay Parlay Part 2. Look at this. For all of you guys who don't like tuna, I guess this is not the video for you, but I like tuna, so that's what it looks like when you crack that bit open. It smells like your grandma. Instead, we're gonna pour the tuna into this thing that I don't know what it's called. So now, all you're gonna see me doing for this next step is taking this bowl of stuff that I just put in here, and I'm gonna be pushing it down with the spoon. That way, all the water that was in the can gets pushed through, and all that's left in the actual bowl itself is the tuna, the solid tuna that we need in order to make this meal. So I'm just gonna push. All that liquid should be flowing out. Yep. Push down on it with the spoon. All right. So now that we got all the water pushed out, we're gonna take it over to our stove and we're gonna throw it on the grill. But first we must butter our pan. So get your handy dandy buttering software out, and we're gonna definitely do that right now. Where the fuck is my butter? Yo guys, where's my butter?
Taylor.
No, nobody ever. Oh, I found it. Never mind. All right, so now we're gonna get our butter, which is right here. Crock life, this is what it looks like. Nice little butter knife, and just take a scoop of this butter. It's a little bit too much. This is good enough. And we're just gonna, oh yeah. And if you hear that noise on the thing, that means it's starting to work. What I gotta do is spread that butter around on there. This is where real chefs are born, okay, guys? This is where real chefs are born, in my kitchen. Like, they don't go to the hospital. They're just, their mothers are taken here and they're born in my house. On top of this stove, of course, when it's not hot. So this is not just a place where I cook beautiful meals. This is a place where beautiful lives are made, you know, guys?
Let's speed this up a little bit. I can turn the heat up just a tad. We're gonna take some of our, our little poisson, our tuna fish, and we're gonna just pour it on that thing. This is the part. Everybody thinks it's so confusing. After that, you throw what you have in the sink already, and just mix it together. Mix the butter and mix the tuna fish together, and wait for it to get a little bit of a brown color. And once it starts getting a little bit of a brown color to it, that's when you add your mayonnaise, you add your cheese, you add your seasoning. Ah, fudge! I've got burned on camera. And that's when everything starts to get delicious. So everybody knows that tuna fish has that distinct smell, so you don't want to go ahead and just eat this whole sandwich and just kiss your baby on the mouth, because you will be smelling like tuna after this. Just a little bit. But this is like a meal just for you to lounge around and have a nice night, you know? So just stay tuned.
So after this, you're gonna want to cut your lemon. Basically, what the lemon is for is basically to get that smelly tuna fish smell out of the way. It kind of just masks the smell and kind of like gives it a nice cleaner smell to it and a nice tangy texture. It's always beautiful to have some lemon in your food. Don't overdo it too much, because you know how things start to get a little bit too sour. You don't want your stuff to taste sour now. So you're just gonna rotate that around in there, mix it with the butter, make sure everything is nice and marinated. And now you can't even smell the tuna. That's how good it smells. Oh shit, why is it jumping so much? This good ass tuna jumping all over the place. So you're just gonna keep doing this on medium to low heat. Oh my god, bro. Why is this thing jumping like a maniac? I'm just gonna put that on top of it for now, because my tuna fish wants to jump all over the place. Once you put that thing on the stove and it's cooking like that, you want to start putting your bread inside the toaster. That way, when you get it out, you can just slap it right on the bread and it's good to go. So now that we got a little bit of browning on this tuna fish, we're gonna start adding our toppings. A little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper, you know, just to give it a little kick. Yeah, so now that it's getting a little bit browner, you're starting to get that cooked texture, you know that you're almost done. Take a spoon, take a little bit of your mayonnaise, excuse me, and just drop it right on the center of that. And what the mayonnaise does is it cools this baby down, and it gives it that nice, rich, creamy texture that you've been waiting for. Beautiful. Just gonna melt it all together with that cheese. So now once you see this happening, you're gonna start to mix it around still. Keep it nice and together. And this is when you're basically done. You just gotta, all you have to do is wait till the cheese melts completely and you're ready to put it on your toast. That should be ready by now. And there it is. Big finale. You're gonna take your spatula, you're gonna scoop up this beautiful snack you just made yourself and plop it right on the center of that bread. Just like that, just like this, just like this, just like this. And this is how you know. Oh my goodness, I can just smell the delightfulness. And the lemon just cleans up the smell so beautifully. And here's what you're gonna do next, Okay, your stove is already off, so now all I have to do is take that other slice of bread and close your sandwich. This is the final product. Can you, oh my goodness, let me focus on that bit. Oh, hold up. Oh, look at the richness on the inside. This is what love is, man. I'm teaching you how to become a chef. Your skills will increase from watching my videos. My love for you guys will grow with every meal. So please, if you are not subscribed to me right now, go ahead right now and subscribe to my channel and go like all my videos and put your notifications on so that way every time I post a video, you can see my videos. Alright, so let's get into this taste test, guys. It's that part of the video. Drum roll, guys. Drum roll, drum roll, drum roll. And Oh my. A lot of you guys might think that I'm just joking when I say this is the best sandwich I've ever had in my life. And that I'm exaggerating a little bit. No. Like every bite is almost like you just went into heaven.
Taylor.
Bubble bath. Alright, YouTube. So that was the second meal of this installment on Cooking with Zay Parlay. Leave a definite like in the comment section below. Leave a comment if you enjoyed this video and you're gonna make this for your family, maybe before Thanksgiving or maybe for Thanksgiving lunch or before dinner, you know. Thank you for watching. This is Cooking with Zay Parlay lunch edition, episode 2. Thank you for watching, and I will see you. Oh shoot, I need a question. The question is, what are you doing for Thanksgiving? Let me know in the comment section below. I would love to know. I would definitely share with you what I'm doing for Thanksgiving. And I will see you guys tomorrow.